Now let us discuss the 67th question. A particular station of All India Radio, New Delhi broadcast of a frequency of 1368 kHz. The wavelength of electromagnetic radiation emitted by the transistor is, the given data is frequency. That gives rise to 1368 kHz. Convert kilohertz to second inverse. That means kilo means 10 cube. That gives rise to 1368 into 10 cube second inverse. Also given the speed of light c equal to 3 into 10 power 8 meters second inverse. We know that here they ask that lambda equal to. What is the value of lambda? We know that relation between lambda is equal to c by v. You can directly substitute these values in the given formula. It gives rise to lambda equal to 3 into 10 power 8 meters second inverse by 1368 into 10 power 3 second inverse. Second inverse cancel. You will get 3 into 10 power 8 by 1368 into 10 cube meter. Now let us simplify this one. 3 by 1368 into 10 power 8. Division 10 cube will goes to the upside. It will have the minus charge. 10 power minus 3. It becomes 3 by 1368 into 10 power 5. Here we know that the formula, when bases are equal, that means a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus 1. Here bases are equal, then addition of the powers, 8 plus minus of 3, that will give rise to 10 power 5. Now let us simplify the given 3 by 1368. You will get 0.00219229 into 10 power 5. We know that the adjacent value is greater than 5. You will add plus 1. It will become 0.002193 into 10 power 5. When you multiply with the 10 power 5, you will get 219.3 meter. This 2 is our correct answer.